Next question, question 61. The situation in which a gene at one locus alters the phenotypic expression of a gene at another locus is known as option 1 dominance, option 2 codominance, option 3 paleotropy, option 4 epistasis. The correct answer for this is option 4, that is epistasis. Next question, question 62. All the following are carbohydrate except glycogen, chitin, glycerol or cellulose. The correct answer for this is glycerol. All other are the carbohydrates. Next question, question 63. A A change in pH from 8 to 11 indicates a change in concentration of H plus ion by a factor of option 1 3, option 2 30, option 3 300, option 4 1000. Correct answer for this is option 4 1000. Next question, question 64. What is the cause of cramps you feel in your muscles during the strenuous exercise? Option 1, lactic acid fermentation. Option 2, alcohol fermentation. Option 3, chemoosmotic coupling. Option 4, too much oxygen delivered to the muscles. The correct answer for this is option 1, that is lactic acid fermentation. Next question, question 65. During which phase of the cell cycle does crossing over occurs? 1. Metaphase of meiosis. 2. Metaphase 1 of meiosis. 3. Prophase 1 of meiosis. 4th, prophase of mitosis. The correct answer for this is option 3, prophase first of the meiosis. Next question, question 66. A court case is trying to determine the father of a particular baby. The mother has type O blood and the baby has type B blood. Which of the following blood type would means that the man was definitely not the father of the baby? 1. B and A, 2. AB and A, 3. O and B, 4th O and A. The correct answer for this is option 4th O and A. Next question, question 67. A couple has four children, all of whom are boys. They are expecting a fifth child in 2 months. What is the probability that this child will be male? 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, and 1 by 2. Remember, always the probability of being a child, a male or female, is equally, that is half. So the correct answer for this is option 4, half. Next question, question 68. All of the following represent X-linked conditions except 1. Hemophilia, 2. Albinism, 3. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, 4. Color blindness. The correct answer for this is option 2. Albinism. Next question, question 69. The ability to establish the exact whereabout of an item of evidence and under whose control it was from its collection to the courtroom and everywhere in between is known as maintaining the 1. Chain of command, 2. Continuity of investigation, 3. Chain of custody, 4th. Business record circle. The correct answer for this is option 3, that is chain of custody. Next question, question 70. In the American legal system, whether or not a particular expert's testimony could be used during the trial was from about 1923 to the mid 1990s determined by one standard laid down by the Daubert case, a general acceptance in the community standard, the Locard standard, don't ask, don't tell standard. The correct answer for this is option 2, a general acceptance in the community standards. Next question, question 71. The rough sketch that is usually prepared at the crime scene is to 1. Help identify the victim, 2. Reduce the number of photos, 3. Precisely locate evidence, 4th. Help visualize the scene. The correct answer for this is option 4th, that is help visualize the scene. Next question, question 72. Examination of the blood splatter pattern flung from a weapon can help to determine 1. Attacker, 2. The shape of the weapon, 3. Where the attack took place, 4th. The time of the attack. The correct answer for this is option 3. Where the attack took place. Next question, question 73. Ballistics is 1. The path followed by a projectile from a firearm. Option 2. Firearms identification. Option 3. NIBIN. Option 4. Type of bullet. The correct answer for this is option 1. The ballistics is the path followed by the projectile from a firearms. Next question, question 74. The immunological test known as the precipitin test is used in examining unknown blood stain to determine 1. ABO blood group, 2. Commonality of origin, 3. Species of origin, 4. The PGM isoenzyme type. The correct answer for this is option 3, the species of origin. Next question, question 75. Catalytic test for the presence of blood in strain such as benzidine, otolidine, or the phenolphthalein test are 1. Presumptive test, 2. Confirmatory test, 3. Option 3. Very insensitive. Option 4. Highly unpredictable. The correct answer for this is option 1, that is presumptive tests. Next question, question 72. Hair forcibly removed from the body is known as option 1 is known as telogen hair, 2 has cellular material adhering to its root and may be analyzed for the nuclear DNA, third is much more common as evidence than the hair that just fall out of the skin. Option 4 is analyzed primarily with an instrument known as the FTIR. The correct answer for this is option 2, that is, has cellular material adhering to its root and may be analyzed for the nuclear DNA. Next question, question 77. Phenol chloroform extraction method is used for 1. Hand imprints extraction, 2. DNA extraction, option 3. Hemoglobin extraction, 4th. Saliva extraction. The correct answer for this is option 2, DNA extraction. Next question, question 78. The most frequent pattern found in the largest number of fingertips is 1. Arch, 2. Loop, 3. Wall, 4. Accidental. The correct answer for this is option 2. Loop. Next question, question 79. Calioscopy is used to identify the person from plateau prints, 2. Lip prints, 3. Footprints, 4th. Fingerprints. The correct answer for this is option 2. Lip prints. Next question, question 80. Filigree burns are caused by electrocution, second, lightning injury, third, chemical burns, fourth, fire accidents. The correct answer for this is option 2, lightning injury.